What are you singing for us tonight, darling?
So I know that it's, usually you sing the song you won with, but it was a Christmas song. We did the 12 Days of Christmas kick style. So I decided we're past Christmas, so I'm gonna resurrect an oldie that's one that is my most requested song from my very first time doing comedy song night with you. I'm going to do a parody of Alanis Morissette's "Hand in My Pocket," dick pic style.
I love it. I love it.
Yeah,
I'm a little wet already, so let's freaking go.
let's go. All right.
Guys, give her some love, give her some faves, give her some gifts. Darling, the stream is yours. Have fun with it, guys.
Thank
This is
you.
KP Dragonfly. Let's freaking go.
Oh, shoot. I'm so sorry. Hang on 1 second. It started at the wrong spot. I apologize. 2 seconds. We're going to have this right. So sorry. Technical difficulties. I never have. I stream and I love it. I'm kick poor, but it's cool. I got faves that are awesome. Yeah. My bouncers are so fast. One wrong move and you're blocked. Don't send me a DM, asshole. And what it all comes down to is all of us are laughing at you. 'Cause you have one hand on your Peter and the other one just made it your profile pic. It's gross, but I'll be fine. Come to my stream and you're gone. Amber's fast fingers got you, yeah. Got Yo John and Michaela. Trouble and Faye are watching too. Don't call me a girl, no, a douchebag. And what it all comes down to is all of us are laughing at you. 'Cause you have one hand on your Johnson and the other one just sent me the dick pic. And what it all comes down to is all of us are laughing at you. 'Cause if you're gonna send a dick pic, I'm sending it to all of them too. It's next to a bottle and your room is a mess. You thought that would win me, dumbass. Unsolicited dick pics won't ever get you the girl. It's truly disgusting, pervert. And what it all comes down to is all of us are laughing at you. 'Cause you have one hand on your wiener and my sponsors are reporting your ass right now. And what it all boils down to, you jerk, yeah, is all of us are laughing at you. 'Cause you have one hand on your small peen and I've already forgot all about you. Thanks, everybody. So I've actually been rehearsing a totally different song all week. That was a last minute switch last night, but
You still killed it, darling. You still killed
thank
it.